Wait. Okay. What's up, guys? It's me, Chris. We'll be doing knife only with my friend right here. You ready, James?
Hi guys.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, come on. Let me just do the settings real quick. Okay, perfect. I want to go to yellow.
Okay.
Because I bought you the thing. The yellow. I feel like going here. Yes.
Oh yeah, that place. Bad.
First the 3.
Free?
Yep.
Only? Bruh.
No, like, you understand what I mean? Like, we have to do 3 rounds.
Like 3 matches?
Yeah. Okay, so guys, I'm sorry, but if sometimes my 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 video is gonna count early, but I did not click stop recording, so I'll be sorry for that. But I still have to upload it. Come, cause I'm actually kind of bad with knife. My friend over here is actually good with knife. You see what I mean?
I'm really good.
Yeah, my friend. He's only good with auto. He's only good with auto, so he's using auto right now. Guys, as you can see, I have auto. Look. As you can see, I have auto right now. But this guy always keeps his auto on.
Okay, I'll do it without auto. Let me turn off the settings real quick.
Okay, guys. He's gonna be taking a photo. Guys, wait. Let's try something. Should I play knife only like this? You ready, James?
No.
Should I do it like this? Wait, do the other side. Should I do like this? Guys, I will do like this. Tell me when you're ready. Tell me when
Okay.
you want. Oh, guys, for my text, play 2 duels. I get 2 keys.
Yeah, my auto shoot was disabled already.
Oh, okay, let's go. Guys, I'll be
So
playing
I
like...
would say I'm actually good with auto shoot.
Guys, it's so hard playing like this. Oh no, guys, he got the first hit. Guys, I'm sorry for hearing that song.
Oh shoot.
Okay, I'm coming down. You play. Jemiah texted me.
Oh.
Okay, guys, I'm not playing like that's actually harder.
When you place the jump pad, it's pretty helpful.
Here. Oh my god, what was that for? Guys, I'm actually bad with auto. Without auto. I'm bad at doing knife.
Oh.
This guy keeps jumping around. Like he's just enough. He's like, yeah. That's what this my friend does, bro. Stop using the jumper, or else I'm leaving. Okay, I'm leaving.
Why, bro?
The jumper is actually so annoying.
It's my weapons. I can do what I want. You didn't pick the jump pad.
This guy's running away.
Get that.
Let's cook, guys. Let's go. Oh, my friend, yo, Jemiah joined.
Alright.
Kaylee just joined. Oh, Kaylee told me that that his mic is gone. Kaylee's mic is gone because he was cursing. Guys, my friend Keely, his mic is gone because he been cursing. So we cannot talk.
How did he curse? How did he curse?
Like he was saying bad words. That's what it means. He told me that. Oh my god, bro. Seriously?
This is so good.
No, it's not. It's actually more than good. It's actually annoying. I'm scared. Guys, I'm actually so scared.
What are you running away, bro?
No, I'm trying to do backstab. Oh. Oh no.
Oh, I almost got you.
What?
I
Guys,
don't even know how I did
how
that.
did you? He was far away from me.
Yeah, oh nice.
Like, I was so far away from you and I still knifed you.
Guys, it feels like he's hacking. Oh my gosh, seriously?
You can use the jump pads too.
Oh, how?
See?
How? Look at these. Imagine I make the biggest comeback ever.
You can use the jump pads. I won't use them.
Oh my
I just
god.
don't want to make you mad.
That's okay. Oh no, come.
What?
Huh? Yeah, it feels like
No.
if we're in this map, we're gonna be hacking. Okay, guys. This is for the Marvels. Who's gonna win?
Rice.
It feels like my friend's gonna
Yeah,
win.
but I'm not hungry right now.
Bro, look at
I
this
don't
dude.
want to eat right now.
Bro has to eat. That's crazy.
Yo, I'm so scared.
Guys, he's scared. Yo, I'm scared too, bro. Okay.
No, Lord. Get away from me, bro.
What? Okay, so it's 1-0. Guys, it's 1-0. I have to win this.
1-0 King JM 495.
I'm sorry, Dior. Yo, bro, Katie Chase is scared for real.
Yeah, I know. Wait, he changed his name too?
Yeah, just come, bro.
What the fridge?
Don't
Why is
say
his
it,
name Dior?
bro. I don't know.
Wait, Kaylee can almost do ranked.
Yeah, bro. Okay, really?
No.
You would do
Wait,
that
I wanted to
matching.
do. Yeah.
Dude has to go eat, bro. Dude has to go to McDonald's, bro. That's big back. That's actually big back.
Only have a Happy Meal, okay?
Oh my god. Last time you see you getting 3 burgers, 500 chicken nuggets, 10 juice, bro. Oh my god, that was a big order. That was the biggest order in the whole world. Okay, where are you? Oh, you're there.
When you do that, it gives you an advantage. Actually, it does though. Not gonna lie.
When you do what?
Cause I have to stab your back, right?
Yeah.
When you're on the floor, your back is like facing down, like that.
Oh yeah, like when you
So
do
you just
like
have
this.
to stab you.
Yeah, I know. I did that to you. Oh my god.
Ooh, you're close, bro.
Stop running away, bro.
It's skill.
What? Yeah,
I
this
don't
guy's
even know how
actually
I
hacking.
did that.
Guys,
Yeah, I don't even know.
this guy's hacking. He was far away from this guy's hacking. Guys, report this to Nozni. Okay, I'm joking. Don't report him to Nozni. I'm not. What?
I don't. I don't even know how I'm doing this.
I have more experience. Look at my level. Look at this guy's level. I should be better at him at knife. Okay, bro. I hate when you keep jumping around. You know, I'm staying in this corner. I'm getting annoyed.
Look at this. I made my jump pad. Wait. I don't know. I made my own jump pad.
What is this jump pad? This is actually a bad jump pad.
It's pretty good.
It's actually bad, bro. Okay.
What?
I can
Is
even
bad?
Yes, I got hit. What? Yo, guys, okay.
There we go.
After this, nah, bro. After this, we're doing 1v1 without auto shoot.
I don't have auto shoot on too, bro.
Yeah, but after this, we're doing 1v1 without auto shoot. How did I miss?
Ah!
Oh, look at this dude, bro.
Hell no.
Look at this dude. Okay, this is not bad. Whatever you just made is actually, it's actually good.
Is it good?
Yeah, the way you made it's actually good, but the way I made it's actually bad.
You have to go the. Oh my gosh.
Okay, guys, after this, we're doing 1v1 without auto shoot. I'm gonna show you my skill without auto shoot. Most of the time, I use auto shoot, but guys, today, nah, bro. Yeah. Oh, imagine I got you. Come on. Let's go.
Oh. Oh.
At least it's
Wait,
not a
pause
5-0,
game,
guys.
pause game. I need to do something.
Okay, guys, at least it's not a 5-1 or 5-0.
Wait, I need to do something. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
It's pretty good.
Oh, I got the first hit, but oh, I thought I got the second. I got the second hit.
Anyway.
What?
Okay,
Okay, guys, 1v1 without auto shoot.
It's like
1v1 without auto shoot, buddy.
What's auto shoot?
Without.
Yeah, I don't have the auto shoot on. Anyways.
Okay, good. Let's see your skill and my skill.
What's auto shoot?
No, without.
Okay. Because mine was disabled already.
Guys, I put this, and this. This is actually OP. Okay, now I'm scared. No, I'm not even coming through. Oh, I got to push me.
Oh, this is such a bad plan. Wait. Oh, it's our weak weapon. Oh. I didn't even know that.
I killed him, guys.
I thought it was knife only.
No, I still with any guns you want.
I think I have a strategy, bro.
Yeah, guys, now I'm scared, bro. When he says that, guys, don't. I'm not going to cost. I'm
I
actually.
have something juicy. Oh, damn. Oh. I can use it. Man, what's wrong with you?
You're literally using minigun. What do you mean? What's wrong with me? You're using minigun. What do you mean? What's wrong with me, bro? It's not my fault, bro. You're using minigun. You're actually using minigun. Minigun's actually scary. Okay, buddy.
Hey, if you don't want to get blown up, don't come here.
Yeah, bro. Don't pretend like I did not see that. Oh. Bro, please.
Nope.
E-way. Pretend like...
Pull up.
Guys, this is actually crazy. Wait, look at my movement. Yo, why? Why only those guns? Okay.
Bro, it's not my fault.
No, it's okay.
I
it's
just
okay.
want to win.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. It's okay.
Alright. flamethrowers in prime weapon?
Guys, don't worry about my phone. Guys, I'm actually so scared. Yo, jeez, why are you so quiet? Guys, my friend is actually so quiet. Yo, come on.
Oh, eh.
Oh, damn. Okay, bro, watch I'm gonna crash. Bet. I got something in my hands. Anyway. Let's go, guys. Oh my god. Yo, all my friends actually just joined. James, you there?
Yeah.
Okay.
You just use energy pistols, bro.
Oh, you want to do energy pistols only match?
Oh, shit.
Guys, this is gonna be crazy. I'll should lock in, guys. So I'll be locked in. I'll try to get crazy movements. You can pick a random gun for here, then this, and then that. You're only allowed to use energy pistols. Not even katana.
Not even med?
Only med.
Okay, bet.
Guys, he's so lucky that.
Man.
Guys, I'm actually better at using energy pistols than him. No katana.
Oh, yeah.
Only headshots. Guys, it's because I did not have my sight. I did not have my sight. If I had my sight, I'll actually be locked in.
Can you use your scythe?
Yeah, you're allowed. Only to go up. Hey, I was explaining.
Nice.
He just met it with me.
I clutched with the med.
Yo, how do you have good aim?
Nice.
Yes! I use my quick med. Okay, bro, make sure you do not auto shoot on? James,
Yeah.
are you sure you do not have auto shoot on?
I do not. I literally looked again. It isn't.
Then how do you have that? Look, bro. How am I already solo? How? How are you only hitting headshots? James,
Yeah.
how are you only hitting headshots?
I want to tell you my plan. You're gonna win now.
Okay, hacker. Bro, hacker. Guys,
I used my med.
I'll be
That's
ending
it.
this video for now, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.